Thank you for signing up with LVM Resident Assist. In this video we will help you with your initial steps as you get started using the app. Our goal is to enable you to begin tracking daily activities and medication administration for all your residents. Let us get you up and running with the Resident Assist software at lightning speed. If you have not already done this, click the link in the email you received after signing up for an account. This will direct you to a page where you complete the setup of your own user account by choosing a password. Once you have logged in, you may want to create a shortcut to the app on lvmra.com to help you easily return to the app without needing the link in your welcome email. For most browsers you will see a button towards the top left corner of the screen named Install Shortcut. You may find it easiest to just click that button to create your own shortcut. To track things like daily activities and medications for your residents, you will need to add some building blocks such as employee, resident, and medication records. When you log into Resident Assist, the home page conveniently shows your actionable to-do items. We have preloaded the application with a few sample records that you can use to pattern the setup of your own data. You can archive this sample data whenever you see fit. There is also a link to a quick start guide on the home page with 2 different approaches that helps you enter essential data and gets you ready to use the software. This guide appears on the home page until you add your first resident and remains accessible from the Help menu in the navigation panel. We will use the navigation panel on the left-hand side of the screen to easily access the many features of this application. First, we are going to set up medications that your residents take. Setting this up before creating resident records allows you to select the already defined medications in this database. That way medications that are used by more than one resident can be reused repeatedly for each resident without duplication. Click to expand the Setup menu and select Medications. Now click the plus button in the upper right corner. Enter the name and dosage of the medication in the name field. All other details on this form are optional, though they may prove helpful to your staff as they identify and administer medication. Note that instead of entering all this information manually, you can choose to acquire some help by downloading information directly from the FDA database. Anything you download from the FDA can subsequently be modified should you choose to do so. Finally, you click the Save button in the lower right corner. This closes the screen and takes you back to your medications database where your newly added record can be found. Repeat this process until you have the medications you need in your database. Don't worry about adding all medications for all residents all at once, if you'd prefer to get started with one resident at a time. You will soon notice how similar it is to work with other databases and features in the application. It is suggested that you consider adding insurances and pharmacies next, as that will prepare you for adding your residents, which we will show in our next video how to add residents.